Earlier we have seen SMED. These SMED, Kaizen, all these all are the tools for improving the productivity, and these are the tools used for lean manufacturing also. Lean means removing the waste, or automatically removing the waste or increasing the productivity. This is the lean manufacturing concept, and for that purpose the Kaizen is the another tool which is going to be used to improve the productivity. What is Kaizen? Kaizen is the it is a Japanese word. Kaizen means change, KAI, to become good, Zen. It is Kaizen, that means change to become good. Change to become good means whatever will be the changes which are we are doing the changes, wherever we are doing the changes for the good purpose. Kaizen means improvement. Improvements without spending much money, involving everyone from top management to the employee, workers, and using such common sense. Using much common sense. So Kaizen is the improvement process. It is a improvement process without spending much money and involving it is involving everyone from manager to employee. The aspect of Kaizen is that it is an ongoing and never ending improvement process. It is going on continuously. It never ends, because something we are doing the good thing, again we will try for again improvement quality. If quality of the component is there, we are doing good quality component. Still we are moving towards how to achieve good quality, more than these. That's why it is a never ending improvement process. It is a continuous improvement process. Generally it is a continuous improvement process. Sir Winston Churchill, what he says, continuous effort, not strength or intelligence, is the key to unlocking our potential. नुसतं आपण म्हणतो स्वॉट ॲनालिसिसच्या हिशोबाने किंवा काय म्हटलं आपण स्ट्रेंथ, इंटेलिजन्स, डोकं, या सगळ्या गोष्टी ज्या आहेत ह्या तर असतानाच कंटिन्युअस एफर्ट जर केले, दॅट इज ऑल्सो गुड फॉर अनलॉकिंग युअर पोटेन्शियल टू बिकम. म्हणजे अनलॉकिंग युअर पोटेन्शियल म्हणताना कसं की तुमच्या आतमधल्या ज्या गोष्टी आहेत त्या बाहेर काढण्याच्या हिशोबाने कंटिन्युअस एफर्ट इज यूज फॉर टेकिंग आउट युअर इनसाइड potential from your body, inside potential of the body, brain, and everything. So continuous effort is most important as per Sir Winston Churchill. Kaizen, if we study with Kaizen with lean, then you will see that this is the Toyota manufacturing process, TPM, Toyota manufacturing process, TP. For that TPM, for that purpose, this Kaizen is the base. Kaizen is the base or foundation for the lean improvements. It is a improvement process and it is a foundation of that TPM, Toyota production process. Now, what this figure shows, Kaizen is the umbrella. What is mean by umbrella? That means it is gives protection to customer orientation, protection to quality circles, protection to suggestion systems. So whatever good is there for that purpose, 5S, TPM, whatever good is there, we are going to improve more than that. So whatever we are doing in all these processes are not vanishable. We are using that and trying to improve that. So that's why it is called as Kaizen is the umbrella for these processes. 5 years different tools are there, Kanban tools are there, zero defects is there. For all the purpose, this Kaizen is the umbrella. Umbrella means it is a बघा, हे रूट आहे, रूटपासून मोठं होणार आहे. म्हणजे कैझन जर झाड आहे, हे झाड जसं मोठं होत जाणार आहे आणि ते खाली सावली देणार आहे, तसंच हे कैझन मोठं होत जाईल. या सगळ्या ह्याच्यावरती ते काम करेल. प्रत्येक ह्याच्यावरती काम करून कैझन फार मोठं होऊन जाईल आणि त्याच्या अंडरमध्येच ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी चालू राहतील. Kaizen is the continuous process. It is a continuous process, continuous improvement process. Rather than it is a continuous process, it is a continuous improvement process, and it works on the simple principle PDCA cycle. How the PDCA cycle? Plan, do, check, act, and it works. Kaizen is also working on the same principle: plan, do, check, act. So whatever what it says, every step is there. Some standard is there. Do Kaizen. Then for doing the Kaizen, do this tool. Use this tool. Plan, do, check, act. With Kaizen is there. With the help of the Kaizen, we are good improving this. Again standardize this. Again do the Kaizen. Again standardize this. Again do the Kaizen. Again standardize it. And so in this way, by implementing the process, plan, do, check, act, and we are using this improvement Kaizen. We are suggesting that Kaizen is the continuous improvement process. It is a continuous improvement process. There is a difference. Now everybody will say that Kaizen means it is just similar to the innovation, but no, there is a difference between innovation and Kaizen. What are those differences? Kaizen is undramatic. Innovation is dramatic. Kaizen works on low cost. Innovation requires high cost. Kaizen having low risk. Innovation having high risk. Human effort required is in Kaizen is less. Innovation is a change in technology. Here, change in human effort is the Kaizen. No brainer is required, but for the innovation, more brain, more thoughts are required for the innovation purpose. म्हणजे जशी त्याच्यामध्ये कशी बघा, वरचं चित्र सगळी गोष्ट सांगून जातं. काय Kaizen इज द टॉर्टाइज, इनोव्हेशन इज द रॅबिट. बट परत ती ससा आणि कासवाची गोष्ट लक्षात ठेवा. जिंकणार कासवाचे. म्हणून Kaizen, though it is a slow process, it is going to win, it is going to change everything. So Kaizen, whenever the organization implements the Kaizen, automatically there is going to be different changes. So at low or improvement at low cost. What is the Kaizen philosophy? How it works? Current state. What it in the current state? There is a full of state, full of variation, full of constraints. So what we are doing? Exposing that problem. These are the problems. We are exposing that. Again, when it is problem is exposed, again there are solutions are there. We are creating the solutions for the different problems. Automatically solution becomes it will give to value added time or lead time. And it is again future state is reducing of waste, reducing of variation, reducing of constraints will be there. Again this future state come to current state, again there will be some waste, some variation. Again do plan, do apply the PDCA cycle on that current state, again achieve future state. And in this way we are doing the Kaizen. Implement good housekeeping, workplace organization, identify and eliminate all activities that are waste, and implement standardization. 3 criteria of a Kaizen. What are the 3 criteria? आता त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही आता बघा दाखवताना त्याच्यावर त्यांनी दाखवले नरसाळ फनेल. बरोबर आहे. काय करतं ते? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वरच्या बाजूला, डज द आयडिया रिड्यूस वेस्ट, इम्प्रूव्ह क्वालिटी, इन्क्रीज सेफ्टी? डज इट ॲड्रेस टू द रूट कॉज? म्हणजे हे तुमची इथं जे काही वेस्ट वगैरे आहे, वरच्या बाजूला वेस्ट वगैरे आहे, ह्या वेस्टवरती यू आर गोइंग टू अटॅक्ट ऑन दॅट. वी आर गोइंग टू have a solution for before implementing what you are doing to this. Does it address to the root cause? जे काही त्याचं जे काही तुमचं वेस्ट असेल किंवा ज्याचं जे त्याचं मूळ कारण जे असेल मूळ कारणला इट इज गोइंग टू हॅम्पर इट ऑर नॉट दॅट यू आर गोइंग टू येस इफ इट इज येस इट इज गोइंग टू हॅम्पर ऑन रूट कॉज again it is it standardized. So do the standardization, and after doing the standardizations, after attacking on the root cause, different ideas comes through this one funnel, that is called as one point, that is called as Kaizen. So because every organization has different problems, different no n number of problems. So for n number of problems different solutions must be there. So you have to achieve that, you have to get that solutions, you have to implement that, you have to attack on root cause and do the standardization and try to remove this waste, try to remove it by using this Kaizen process, by using this Kaizen process. Kaizen approaches starts with good housekeeping, waste elimination, muda, and standardizations. Whenever we are implementing this, we are attacking on these for three these 3 points where we are doing good housekeeping, we are eliminating waste, we are doing standardizations. With the help of this Kaizen process starts. This is the basic concept of, or this is the basic approach of Kaizen. That means we are attacking on, first of all we are attacking on housekeeping, we are attacking on waste elimination, and we are attacking on standardization process, and with the help of this we are moving ahead to achieve the Kaizen. How productivity increases? Currently, suppose one man, one machine, 1 hour currently working 100 units, it is making 100 units. Then how by increasing productivity? By two ways: qualitative approach and quantitative approach. Again we have seen that in the productivity, with the help of quantitative and quantitative is more workers, more machines, more. How productivity can be if quantitative? By increasing worker, by increasing machines, by working longer, we are increasing the productivity. And here in qualitative, if we want to increase with the help of productivity with the help of qualitative, by working hard, by eliminating waste and simply. So we are going to increase the productivity by doing qualitative approach. That means one man, one machine, 1 hour going to produce 120 units. Inputs are same, output is increased automatically. Output divided by input is the productivity. That means here productivity is going to increase. We are increasing the productivity by qualitative way, not the quantitative way. Here also cost reduction principle. Higher profit is achieved by increasing the sale profit. Whatever is the cost, by increasing your margin, you are increasing the profit. Yes, that means sale price is increasing by increasing the sale price. But now with the help of Kaizen, what we are doing, sale price is same 1 and 2, but we are trying to increase, or we are trying to reduce the cost. We are reduce the cost. As the cost reduces, sale price is going to be same, profit is going to be increased. Again it shows the increase in productivity. By removing the waste, but we can also increase the by productivity, also increase the productivity. 3 MUs are there. One is muda, waste, mura, unevenness, and muri is overburden. Waste, unevenness, and overburden. Activities that not to add value, workload that is not balanced, and work that creates burden for the team members or processes. Mudachi activities मुडा म्हणजे ह्याच्यामध्ये आपण 3 मुडाजवर अटॅक करणार आहे, 3 MUsवर वेस्टवरती ॲक्टिव्हिटीज आपण करणार, पण त्याच्यावरती किंमत कुठली वाढणार नाही. जे काही वर्कलोड अनबॅलन्स आहे त्याला स्टँडर्डाईज करायचा प्रयत्न करणार आणि त्यामुळं कुठलाही माणूस ओव्हरबर्डन होणार नाही ह्याची पण काळजी आपण घेणार. There are 8 types of wastes that we have to reduce: overproduction, wetting, motion, transportation, inventory, rework, overprocessing, intellect. These are the 8 types of waste that we have to reduce it, and we are going to do Kaizen on this waste, on these types of waste, so that these waste can be eliminated or can be removed or can be reduced. Correct? And Kaizen concepts: follow PDCA. SDCA means SDCA and PDCA cycle. Maintaining साठी SDCA, PDCA is a plan, do, check and sustain. Yes is sustain, do, check and speak with data. Again, next process to is customer, quality first, process versus results and Kaizen and management. त्याच्या प्रत्येक ह्याच्यावरती सगळ्या ह्याच्यावरती एक 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 इम्प्लिमेंट करून प्रोसेस आणि रिझल्ट्सवरती आपण क्वालिटी आणि मॅनेजमेंट करणार आहोत. क्वालिटी मॅनेजमेंट थोडक्यात करायचा प्रयत्न करणार आहोत. Kaizen, मेंटेनन्स, SDCA cycle and improvement. SDCA cycle is follow current standard operating procedures, SOP. Here improvement, upgrade existing standard operating procedure. That means SDCA, sustain, do, check, act. इथं प्लॅन, डू, चेक, ॲक्ट. प्लॅनिंग म्हणजे इम्प्रूव्हमेंटसाठी प्लॅनिंग आहे, हे जसं आहे तसं मेंटेन करण्याच्या हिशोबाने आहे. मग आता हे कोण कोण कसं कसं करणार आहे कैजन, कोणाचं काय काम असणार आहे त्याच्यामध्ये. सो टॉप मॅनेजमेंट वर्क्स ऑन इनोव्हेशन्स, मिडल मॅनेजमेंट अँड सुपरवायझर्स, सम सुपरवायझर्स वर्क्स ऑन कैजन, अँड वर्कर्स are going to do the maintenance. Whatever we have planned, whatever we are doing, all these will be maintained by the workers. Whenever this horizontal line is there, we are maintaining SDCA, maintenance is there, and where this upward direction, this पायऱ्या चढण्याचे काम, this is plan, do, check, tag, that is Kaizen. This is earlierly also we have seen that. Okay, now from this Gemba house we will see in the next lecture. Okay, or we will start with Kaizen event process in the next lecture. Thank you.